Have you ever wondered why some people always manage to save money effortlessly, while others feel like their paycheck disappears the moment it arrives? The truth isn't about earning more. It's about how you handle every dollar you earn. Small habits, repeated consistently, can make the difference between financial stress and freedom. In this video, we reveal top 8 simple budgeting rules that actually work, actionable steps that anyone can start using immediately to control their money, reduce stress, and grow savings systematically. Understanding these rules can transform your financial life, giving clarity and confidence to make your money work for you. Let's get started. 1. First, pay yourself. The most powerful habit for building savings is to treat your future self as a priority. Every time your paycheck arrives, automatically transfer a set percentage, ideally 10% to 20%, directly into your savings or investment accounts. Treat this transfer as a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or utilities. Waiting until the end of the month often leaves little to save, which keeps many people stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. By paying yourself first, you ensure that savings happen without relying on willpower. Even small amounts, consistently saved, can grow significantly over time due to compounding. This habit also encourages smarter spending because you are now spending what remains rather than what comes in, creating a natural check on impulsive purchases. Over time, this strategy not only builds a safety net, but also allows you to invest, seize opportunities, and grow long-term wealth with confidence. It instills discipline and sets a foundation for every other budgeting rule. Additionally, making this a consistent habit creates a mindset shift, where saving becomes a priority rather than an afterthought. It also provides peace of mind, knowing you are actively building financial security for the future. 2. Follow the 50/30/20 framework. A simple, high-level system to manage your money is the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to essentials like rent, groceries, and utilities, 30% to lifestyle wants such as dining out and entertainment, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This framework keeps spending in balance without having to track dozens of categories. Following this structure provides clarity on where your money goes and prevents overspending in any one area. Adjusting percentages over time allows flexibility as your income or goals change. For example, if your wants are lower one month, you can increase savings or accelerate debt repayment. Using this method also makes financial decisions easier because it creates boundaries and priorities, ensuring that each dollar contributes to either living comfortably or growing your financial security. Moreover, this rule encourages mindfulness in spending by highlighting what is truly necessary versus optional. It simplifies complex financial choices, reducing decision fatigue and stress. By consistently applying the 50/30/20 framework, you build a foundation for long-term financial stability and can adapt easily to life changes without losing control over your money. 3. Implement the 24-hour pause rule. Impulse purchases can silently drain your finances. To combat this, apply a 24-hour pause before making non-essential purchases. By waiting a day, you give yourself time to evaluate if the item is truly needed or just a temporary desire. This small delay can drastically reduce emotional or online shopping mistakes. Closing the browser tab, leaving the store, or reviewing the purchase the next day allows for rational decision-making, protecting your checking account balance. Over time, this habit trains you to recognize wants versus needs, making budgeting decisions automatic and more thoughtful. It also reduces regret, increases self-control, and ensures that discretionary spending contributes to real value rather than fleeting satisfaction. In addition, practicing this pause strengthens your overall financial awareness, helping you notice patterns in impulse spending. It encourages prioritizing long-term goals over short-term gratification. You may also discover creative ways to fulfill needs or find better deals without overspending. Eventually, the 24-hour rule becomes second nature, helping you save consistently and make smarter money choices effortlessly. 4. Adopt the cash envelope system. For categories where overspending is easy, such as dining out, clothes, or entertainment, the cash envelope system creates a physical barrier to spending. Withdraw a fixed cash amount for each category and place it in separate envelopes. Once the cash is gone, spending in that category stops a month. This approach forces discipline without constant mental effort. Using cash makes you more aware of every purchase, helping prevent unconscious overspending. The envelope system can also complement digital budgeting apps for categories that are difficult to track electronically. Furthermore, this method builds a sense of accomplishment as you stay within limits, reinforcing positive financial behavior. It also encourages creative problem solving, such as finding low-cost alternatives or prioritizing what matters most. With consistency, the envelope system strengthens self-control and ensures that discretionary spending supports rather than hinders your financial goals. 5. Establish a money date. A recurring financial review or money date helps you stay aware of your cash flow and detect issues before they escalate. Schedule a short weekly session with yourself or a partner to review transactions, spot hidden subscription fees, and compare actual spending with your budget. This proactive habit prevents minor overspending from becoming major financial problems. It fosters accountability and encourages discussion about money priorities in shared households. Using apps like Monarch Money or even simple spreadsheets, you can track progress, identify trends, and make adjustments early. Additionally, money dates help reinforce financial goals, reminding you of both short-term targets and long-term objectives. They provide an opportunity to celebrate small wins, keeping motivation high, and making budgeting feel rewarding rather than restrictive. Over time, this consistent attention to your finances strengthens habits, builds confidence, and creates a sense of control over your financial future. 6. Build a buffer fund. A buffer fund of 1 month's expenses in your checking account protects against accidental overdrafts or minor timing mismatches in billing. It's different from your long-term emergency fund and ensures operational continuity. This cushion prevents small financial hiccups from triggering late fees or debt accumulation. It provides peace of mind and keeps your budget on track without dipping into longer-term savings. Maintaining this fund also allows you to experiment safely with budgeting changes, test new spending reductions, or invest small amounts without jeopardizing your basic financial stability. Over time, this simple habit reduces stress and gives you room to handle minor emergencies gracefully. Additionally, a buffer fund encourages financial confidence, allowing you to make spending decisions without constant worry. It creates a safety net that keeps daily life running smoothly, even when unexpected bills arrive. By observing how this fund cushions your routine, you develop smarter money habits and a clearer sense of financial priorities. Ultimately, this small but powerful tool builds a foundation for more ambitious savings and investment goals. 7. Practice zero-based allocation. Zero-based budgeting assigns a purpose to every single dollar before the month begins, ensuring total income minus all expenses, savings, and debt equals zero. This eliminates loose cash that can disappear through impulsive purchases. By giving every dollar a job, you maintain absolute control over your money. This method encourages planning, prevents wasted funds, and ensures that no part of your income goes unaccounted for. Zero-based allocation also makes it easier to prioritize savings and investments while tracking progress toward financial goals. Over time, it strengthens discipline and accountability, helping you align spending with personal priorities rather than habits or societal pressures. Additionally, this system highlights areas where you can cut back or redirect funds, turning awareness into action. It reduces financial stress by providing a clear roadmap for each month. By actively assigning money to every purpose, you create a habit of intentional spending, which fosters long-term financial stability. As a result, even unexpected expenses can be managed confidently without disrupting your overall plan. 8. Budget for guilt-free fun. Complete deprivation leads to burnout. Allocate a realistic portion of your budget for guilt-free fun, such as hobbies, entertainment, or treats. Knowing the spending is planned allows you to enjoy life while staying on track financially. This approach prevents rebound overspending, where restrictions trigger binge purchases. By including intentional pleasure in your budget, you maintain motivation, reduce stress, and build a balanced financial lifestyle. Adjust percentages over time to reflect your evolving priorities, ensuring the framework remains practical. Over time, this strategy nurtures a healthy money mindset where saving, investing, and spending harmonize naturally, making budgeting sustainable and enjoyable. And there you have it, top 8 simple budgeting rules that actually work. Remember, every small decision you make today builds a financial future you want. Stay consistent and take control of your money one step at a time. Financial freedom isn't built overnight, but each intentional choice adds up. Small daily actions compound into real savings and progress. Which rule will you implement first? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips to take control of your money. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.